Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership, Pomeroy, Ohio. We got another car we're getting ready to put on the lot. I wanted to share it with you. This is a 2010 Dodge Nitro SUV. It does have a sunroof in it, 3.7 liter V6 engine. Cloth interior. We'll go ahead and do a walk around on this. Does have the satellite, SiriusXM satellite radio connectivity available. It's got tinted windows in it. Dodge Nitro. So let's go ahead and open up the hatch, look inside. Okay, here we are with the hatch open. You got a lot of room, a lot of space back here. You can see the up front area from back here. A lot of space back here, and it's clean inside right here. So we'll continue to do our walk around, and yes, this is a four-wheel drive. And it does have heated mirrors on your side. I don't know if you can see the little emblem right there. They are heated, so let's take a look inside. So you do have a cloth interior, combination gray and a light tan. Go over here. I do have the shade pulled on the sunroof. We'll open that when we get up in front, and you do have solid black color on your door panels. Okay, here we go on the inside and show you what it looks like here. Let's go ahead and hop inside. Okay guys, here we are on the inside, and go over here and I'll show you what it looks like. So it does have cruise control. Your lever is right here, right off your steering wheel. It does have a CD player, and here's a button to access satellite radio or AM FM, your climate control, and here is the selector for your four-wheel drive or two-wheel drive. You got two cup holders and an armrest. Pull it up, plenty of storage space here. Let's take a look in back. So there's a view in the back seats. So I'm going to go ahead and open the shade up, and there is your sunroof. And you do have controls to open and close right there. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen, 2010 Dodge Nitro. Plenty of financing options available. Come up for a test drive. Have a great day.